Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in the state of Virginia. To get started, click the link in the description below. It's going to be like a walkthrough tutorial. So I'm going to show you on my computer screen at the same time you do it on yours. That way I'm going to answer every single thing for you along the way. This whole process is literally like 5 minutes. Seen so many videos on YouTube with like chapters and like really long descriptions. I don't know what they're doing, to be honest. This is so super fast and super easy. So again, click the link in the description below and let's just get right into it. Okay, so it's going to take you to the Taylor Brands website, and we're going to start by clicking Virginia. And now you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure that it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions and I'm on the go. So I'm going to type in my name. And what stage are you currently in? Just select whatever applies for you at the moment. And then as far as an industry, as you type in a letter, you'll see so many options come up and they get really specific. So you can more than likely find a category that you fall into. For me, it's eyelash extensions. And then what are you offering? Either a physical good or a service, or maybe both. So select whatever applies for you. For me, I'm providing a service. And are you planning to hire employees? So let's just say you don't have employees, you file your LLC, and then you decide you do want to hire employees. That's totally fine. It's not going to affect your filing at all. You're not going to have to change anything. So again, just select where you are at the moment. And you're going to type in your business zip code. If you don't have a storefront, you can just type in your home zip code. And then where are you serving your customers? So you're either selling online at a shopper store or you're on the go. So like I mentioned, I'm mobile, on the go, but let's just say I had a website too. I can click online, and if you have all three, feel free to click all three. And today we're just going to be selecting LLC, so make sure it's highlighted in blue. And then I also want you to select your EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business, right? So you're going to need it when you file, for your taxes, when you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So at some point down the line, you will need your EIN number. And Taylor Brands offers all this other stuff too. So let's say you need like a logo made or maybe a license or a permit. You can do all of this stuff here. So feel free to check it out now or later. And this is a survey asking what we've done so far. We can skip this. And you discovered Taylor Brands through YouTube. Okay, and Taylor Brands is offering you a free 12-week business coaching program. It's free. I love that. I feel like if I can learn something that helps me make more money, it's totally worth it, right? So I'm going to select yes, but if you don't want it, you can hit no thanks. And now you're just going to type in your personal information. And create a password. Okay, and again, they're asking, would you like Taylor Brands to open your EIN number for you? So if you decide you want to do it on your own, you can. It's through the IRS website. They only allow you to file, though, Monday through Friday. You can't do it on weekends. And for me personally, I just feel like government websites are kind of like outdated and hard to navigate. Taylor Brands can do it for me for $99. It's one less thing I have to add to my to-do list. And for me, that's completely worth saving me the stress. So I'm going to have them do it for me. And okay, a registered agent is basically a fancy term for who's going to receive the mail in regards to your business LLC. So if you live in Virginia and you're opening your LLC in Virginia, you are going to be your own registered agent. Now, if you live in a different state, but you're opening an LLC in Virginia, then you will need to appoint someone that lives in the state. So if you, like I said, if you need some help with this, you have some other situation that doesn't really apply here, you can have Taylor Brands figure it out for you, but more than likely you're going to be your own registered agent. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year you have to renew your LLC. If you forget to renew it, you'll have to pay late fees, fines, and just things we really don't want to pay for. So I'm going to try to save some money and I will handle the compliance myself. But if you think you will forget or you just have a ton of stuff going on with your job, Taylor Brands can definitely do that for you. They will renew it for $199 a year, and you don't have to worry about that stress or paying those late fees. So definitely something to consider. And would you like a branding toolkit? I'm just going to click no here. And okay, so would you like your LLC sent to you in 2 days? For me, it's $49, totally worth it. I want my LLC as soon as possible. But if you're not in a rush, they can get it to you in 2 weeks, which is still pretty quick, and you don't have to pay that extra fee. And you don't need to worry about an operating agreement. So click, I'll figure it out myself. The formation kit, I'm just gonna hit no on this. Okay, and this service is amazing that they offer. So let's just say your business has really expanded really fast. Or maybe you're just starting your business and you don't really have a system set up yet for how you want to organize like your finances, your bookkeeping, your invoices, all that good stuff. Taylor Brands is going to get you set up so that you know where every single cent is going into your business. And I definitely recommend this if you're planning to expand your business. They will give you a free trial. I don't know the cost at the end. I think they give you a few different plans that you can choose from. But again, if you want to check it out, go for it. It's a free trial. Right now, my business is small, so I'm just going to manage the books and invoices for now. And yes, we want to get notified about our LLC. Okay, and you guys, you can pick one of these plans. Feel free to check them out. But today, we only need this light plan. No need to pay anything extra. Okay, so here's what we're paying for today. So the Virginia state filing fee for an LLC is $103. That's just the mandated state fee. No matter where you get your LLC, it's going to be that same price. We're getting our free business coaching program, and then we're paying $49 for that 2-day expedited filing. So this will be your total for today. Now, after you pay this amount and your LLC is filed, then you'll be charged for the EIN number. So don't be surprised when you see that second charge. That's just them handling the EIN number for you. So you're going to go to your payment. Okay, so that's it. Now you're going to enter your credit card information. After this, they're going to ask you about your address and some other personal information. When I put my address, since I'm mobile, I don't have a storefront, I always use my home address for LLCs, and I've never received like spam mail, junk mail, anything like that. It's literally just for them to contact you about your LLC. So if you are selling online, maybe e-commerce or some business that's on the go, mobile, I would recommend to use your home address. If you do have a storefront, great, you can use that address. But that's it, you guys. You're literally done. You've just filed your LLC and EIN number. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. That's it for now, and I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I'll see you in the next one.